Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Learning with a Difference. News headlines in English for 19th of September. And first of all, national news. One nation, one election, cleared by Union Cabinet. Chandrayaan 4 mission expansion got center's approval. Squadron leader Mohana Singh became the first women fighter pilot in LCA Tejas fighter fleet. Cabinet approved setting up of National Center of Excellence for Animation on lines of IITs, IIMS. Earth Sciences Secretary urge stakeholders to utilize various missions to double India's blue economy. Supreme Court to consider hearing pleas against practice of parties promising freebies during polls. And India to have 56 new Doppler weather radars soon, Ministry of Earth Science said. Now, international news. Ukraine drone attack forces evacuation in Russia's Tver region, governor said. Taiwan company Gold Apollo denied producing explosive packed Hezbollah pagers. Bangladesh interim government granted magisterial powers to the army for 2 months. India seek review of Indus Water Treaty served notice to Pakistan. And now some sports news. ICC delegation to review security and other arrangements for Champions Trophy. Santosh Kashyap appointed new head coach of Indian women's football team. Scotland to host 2026 Commonwealth Games after Australia backed out. And now business related news. Sensex Nifty hit fresh record high level. Steady growth in West South states, decline in Bengal, EAC PM report. Windfall tax on crude petroleum slashed to zero. Union Cabinet approved Rs 35,000 crore continuation of PM ASHA schemes to support farmers and control price volatility. And that's all in news. Thank you.